Yeah, we're going again. Yes, so you know, Dave and Tasteful is here with you once more. And I am on Lanston Road. Yes, and I find this restaurant again. Like I said, I find them wherever they are. Yeah, man, because all this time I was always driving past this place and I never know that there's a beautiful restaurant right off this place. Yes, you know, every time when I'm driving, I look over here saying, but I never know a restaurant, you know. But the other night I see some crowd. And you know, so when I say, let me drive and go see where I go on. And I see beautiful fish. Yeah, man, I see chicken. I see fritters, you know. So I say, yo, I'm gonna link the boss. So I say, no, so I come here to come do a little thing. And she say, yeah, man. So right now I'm at Campbell's Plaza. Well, you say walk, ride, drive carefully. Well, you know, you can drive come inside here. There's a lot of space in here where you can come and enjoy your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah, man, and it's a beautiful plaza. So I'm going to show you guys how the plaza look. You know, them have all type of things inside here. Yeah, guys, take a look for yourself. Yeah, man, so this is the plaza right here. Right over there, Campbell's Plaza. Yeah, man, so you have some little shops right in here. So, you know, and some little, you know, bar settings right inside here. You have the little jerk. So right this here where I'm coming, we have the jerk chicken, jerk fish, everything I'm having here. So we're going inside and find out what, you know, they do. So you're gonna stop talking now and go inside and find out everything they have. Yeah, man, beautiful settings. Like I said, guy, come with your family and friends and play all domino, you know, sit the table there, you know. Yeah, man, you play all domino too, man. Yeah, man, and that's a beautiful lady over there. So we're going to talk to her right now. She'll sit up for later in the night. Yeah, man, because she said, I hope you stick around in the taste bud. Because the PF vibes going on off here, so Friday night and Saturday night, you know. Stick around. So I said, of course. So, you know, somebody have to look at me this morning at the breakfast settings. So we're going to go to lunch settings. Yeah, man, so we're going to take you inside of the beautiful restaurant inside here. Yes. So right in here, we have the beautiful restaurant. Yes, right in here. And I can feature a little thing that ready for us already, you know. So you have the little fried dumpling right here. Nice. Chicken right here. Wow. Breadfruit up here. Fish. Nice. Fritters. Yes.
I don't want to get black.
And also bread too, you know. Yeah, right here. Yeah, man, and my favorite. Bunny. Yeah, man, I like the bunnies. Yeah, so I go inside and meet the chefs them and then, you know, find out how I go on, guys. Wow. So I will back with you in a few. Yeah, man. Beautiful road. Lanston Road. Drive past Lanston Road. Yeah, guys. Yeah, over here. Wow. Right here. So this is a beautiful K&P food place. We have K&P food place right out here. So yeah, I'll show you guys a beautiful setting inside here. And on here, so you sit down and have your lunch settings with your friends after work jam. Yeah, the only thing I go on and say the Campbell's Plaza right here. Yeah, man, and over here so you have a nice little bar, some beautiful things going right outside here. So yeah, man, nice bar settings. So like I said, guys, a nice plaza. You come in with your friends on a Friday night, Saturday night, enjoy yourself. Yes, man. Yeah, man, so you know you leave work and you're ready for go home with your friends and you just come in and jam and play two domino, eat two steamed fish, you know, fried fish, jerk chicken, you know, everything jerk. Yeah, man, I got to make my breadfruit too, you know. Yeah, man, so I got them, man. Ah, beautiful. Yeah, guys, so I'm waiting for my breakfast. Yeah, man, so as soon as I get my breakfast, I'm going to let you see what's going on. Right now, I'm going to have some porridge inside here or some fried dumpling inside here, you know. So I think I'm going to try the fritters, the fried dumpling. You know, right now, I'm eating anything over in there, you know, just eat up all. Yeah, man. I'm going to taste everything inside here. Yeah, man, so I'm waiting. Yeah, sitting right out here waiting to see what's going on. Yeah. I'm gonna take inside the kitchen. Yes, soon go inside the kitchen and show you what's going on. Guys, so we're in a beautiful kitchen. Yeah, man, this is where all the goodies go on, you know, all the goodies start right inside here. Yeah, guys. So when you get your beautiful food to eat, everything takes place right inside here with the chefs. Yeah, man. So you can see things going right here. Right now, the Lord settings going on right now on the fire. Yes. The Lord settings going on the fire right now. So I'm gonna find out what they're doing inside here right now, and this is the next chef over here. Cutting up the beautiful chicken right over here. And Tim Hannah move very fast enough. What I? You always move fast like this, brother. Alright, you know, like the chicken that they did to them, they still move fast like you still want to kill them again. Yeah, man. So you man who cut the chicken or you also cook same way? Yeah? You man who cut the chicken or
Everything.
This is all around there, you know. Around that. Yeah, man. So there you Puppeteer. So that's a nickname, you know. You don't see Jamaican have a nickname, you know. So in this restaurant now, they call the chef Puppeteer. I don't know why. Maybe we can tell them later why they call him Puppeteer. Maybe raise Puppeteer. Yeah, man. Nice settings, man. Clean settings also, guys. Yeah, man. Over here you have the beautiful, what can I eat this over there? Curry goat. Yeah, man. Nice curry goat. So this is for the lunch. Yeah, guys, this is for the lunch.
The stew beef.
And the stew beef over here. And this is the man and call him Biggs. Otherwise called Kevin. Yeah, man. So this is great old Kevin right here.
Yeah, man.
We're prepared the curry goat for us, guys. Yeah, man. So Kevin, how long you cook? I like you cook long time, you know?
About 15, 16 years.
16 years. Yeah, so, well, when I come to the kitchen, you get big like me.
Yeah.
Big like that.
You know, come used to the wedding and them things.
Oh, wedding.
Yeah.
Oh, so Kevin did the wedding and all them things, you know?
Yeah. Catering and them stuff. Yeah.
Well, you still do it or you used to do it?
Used to do it, but then we get to go catering with it same way.
Yeah, Kevin make a know the boy can come to your place and fix up a stamp. Same way, party. So if a man want to come play a party, then you cook some food for them same way.
Yeah.
Of course. You know, so Kevin I'm going to let him know in the description later. You know.
Yeah.
And that's right, that's why we do thing, you know. Kevin have been thing long time, 15 years. Yeah, man. And also puppeteer, you know. Yo, you know, so pizza dance you can dance.
Eh?
A dance you can dance.
Everything.
You're not for that tell me.
Everything.
What do you cook?
I'm going to come for the
Are your girlfriend kind of
No, I'm good. I'm customer.
Oh, so why? You don't bring it?
Well, run with it. Come here, man, move.
Oh, you ever move? Yeah, man, God. Come catch you move, you know.
Yeah, go ahead.
Nice. So, Pigs, apart from the fritters and the bambies and the thing, the outside, what else? You know, like porridge and things?
No, there is a part of it, like carmeal, current carmeal, fish and okra.
That's breakfast.
No,
Breakfast is the meal table.
breakfast.
Breakfast.
Alright, curry chicken,
Nice.
chicken,
Yeah.
kalu and starfish,
Yeah.
ackee and starfish,
Nice.
cabbage and starfish,
Yeah.
fried dumpling,
And
festival,
also tea.
yeah, tea, we have coffee, mint, cocoa, all you name it.
Boy, and chef to do with love, chef to do porridge, you know, because they drink a bowl of porridge right now.
In the making,
Oh, in the making?
yeah.
Yeah, man, can you porridge over like yourself?
I get an extra assistant now, so in the making.
So let me ask that question because I was telling my friends them long time, say boy, I drive past here all the time and I never know there's a, well I see the plaza but I never know there's a beautiful restaurant on this plaza.
Yeah.
How long was the restaurant there for? Long time?
Yes, man.
15 years like I said, when you start? Are you from Steve?
No, man, me and I start next door.
Oh.
We start on tent outside.
Yes.
And we get a little space.
Nice.
This place is too small. The amount of people we have.
Oh.
We have to change and come over.
Nice.
So the bigger setting.
But hey, don't let for this nothing. Listen, vibes are going off is up on night time, you know, like say Friday night, Saturday night. Tell them what going on. Let them roll in. Tell them what going on.
Yeah. Every night, vibe, man. Every night is vibe night.
So
every
so
night.
much crowd. Why so much crowd? What got up?
Food, yeah.
Food, man. The food.
Yeah, man.
So our game.
Food.
They play game.
Yeah, domino there next door. Everything going on. Music play.
Oh.
So they enjoy themselves and drink liquor.
Nice.
Understand?
So like you have like domino competition and everything.
Once in a blue.
Once in a blue.
Yeah.
But you still can come down guys with your friends and play your domino after work. And after you don't want to go home that night, you just say, boy, maybe stop at Campbell's Plaza and play to domino, eat to fish, drink some fish tea,
Yeah.
have
Chicken
some
put on cold skin soup.
nice.
Steamed fish and okra.
Yeah, guys.
Turn meal.
Nice.
Jerk
Alright.
pork.
Jerk pork.
roast beef,
Nice.
jerk chicken,
Yeah.
all you name it. You can drop in your order.
Anything you order, so you drop in order, don't order.
Yeah.
Kevin, give your number.
Number?
You can call in, from China line, you just get the number. All right, later.
779.
779-6984. 779-6984.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, let that description. Kevin, the chef, big bad chef.
Yeah.
And if you can't tell me nothing, come here, I go there. Because them man teach people how to cook in and go up on the own, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, them man teach people how to cook. Puppeteer soon up on the own too. Puppeteer so wriggly way up down, you know.
Yeah.
Puppeteer understand, you know. So wriggly way up down. Yeah, man, I got it. Puppeteer restaurant.
Yeah?
All right. All right, puppeteer. We're going to go show the people the beautiful fry when they run there. You understand? And then now you're going to try one of them little things and tell them about taste, you know. Anything like that yet? Food like that? Never show one like that. Oh, so this is a breakfast setting?
Yeah.
Nice. Big old butter. Stewed chicken. Wow.
White rice, eh?
The white rice.
In the empty.
Oh, and the empty. Nice. Hey, I want to see Kevin move fast, you know. Kevin move fast. So that is Maggi chicken powder. Hot coconut powder. The one I use a Canada one.
You want Canada popcorn?
What you say?
Canada popcorn.
Why not that one then?
That's good.
Why?
Canada good man.
You tried already?
Yeah, man.
What you say?
We're not fighting Canada.
It says no preservative in it, so I don't know why.
We're not fighting Canada. Canada good. We like Canada.
Oh, you like Canada powder?
No, Maggi.
Oh, you like Maggi.
The bar, yeah?
The boss like the Maggi. Well, I'll pop it to your station.
Yeah, Maggi.
Say. Alright. Puppy tail. We don't have come and come, you know, look at this here. Nice. Well, they have an ice cream here. Ice cream. The juice fridge. Yes. We're going to ask Kevin something. So Kevin, you do ice cream, man. You do ice cream. Yeah. Kevin said do ice cream also. Ice cream. So what kind of ice cream? Yeah, what? Demon ice cream? No. Oh, not Demon ice cream. What I mean, I like what I see. Like what I see. Like what I see. Alright. Yeah, man. Good old puppy tail moving with speed, you know. Puppy tail over time. Yeah, man. So puppy tail, where are you cooking anything? Yeah, why? I can't wait to see you need flour, you know, because it's supposed to move very fast, you know.
So I think the thing, man.
You can't give up a puppy tail, you have to stand on one side and watch puppy tail of them thing, you know. Yeah, man. Some things I hear that in the natural juice. But you don't have none right now, no natural juice and things. Oh, so I want like a natural juice, you know. Drew plum, beetroot, carrot. Alright. So you kind of finish now, but you always have your natural juice. So a lot of person like natural juice. Yeah, man. So I'll watch you right and almost say, boy, you can't come to maybe natural juice. Nice. Well, that's two man run the kitchen the same way. Two man run the kitchen. Boy, them good man. I would have seen them doing it and move very fast, you know. Yeah, man. That's the best jam. Yeah, you know why they call it puppy tail. You know why they call it puppy tail. Wiggle roll it back so fast. Yeah, man. Nice chicken over here. Nice chicken here. Alright. There's the rice. Wow. Put in the rice. Right. And the rice is nice. Alright, so last night was all fun last night. So you can see a lot of clean up going on after the fun last night. Yeah, man. So what she's doing now, washing up the area. Washing up the hair, and you know, so She said last night I be vibes for the corner. Here guys, so you can come down man, come right half here, so man. Lanston Road, right at Campus Plaza. Right over there, see this sign up there. Campus Plaza right there. Yes, man, a lot of vibes going right here at night time. Vibes can. So what are you going at night time?
I go home.
You not go home? You stay here till daylight.
Yeah,
so only in a rest.
Yeah, I rest in the morning.
Rest in the
I
morning.
come back in the afternoon. But today I just come
Clean up and thing. You hear the taste that comes, you just come in today.
Yes.
Boy, I'm sorry no come. Just my cut her sleep, you know. So. Yeah, just my cut her sleep. But just say, no worries, man, no worries. Yes. So I can see she doing her thing, man. Like that, man. Clean settings. So she's clean up the place. Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah man, so on the plaza they have this beautiful bar settings. Yes man, right over here. You know, for how those of you like your drink and stuff, you don't have to worry because some beautiful ladies are in this place at night time. Yeah man, so we're going to go feature them too man.
Unity
Beautiful
HQ
place.
here and KNP headquarters. They get the nice food for a weekend. They get $2 special. They get steamed fish like Glorious down at town, but it's not Glorious. We get the ton convenience side order. Then you get Burger King come on your food.
Yeah.
Burger King came on your food from Langston Road. $2 give you a burger, fries, and a juice.
Oh, what you say?
KNP right there. So
Nice.
right there.
KNP.
Yeah.
Right. So this is the beautiful bar settings right over here.
Oh yes.
Yes. It's right
And
in here.
the two brand, look on the shelf. You don't have to video, but this is the nice bartender.
Nice.
On Friday, you get $2 give you a flosser rum, a flosser Campari.
$2.
Yeah, $2,000 give you 6 any DNG. What I mean DNG, Jack and Heineken, Smirnoff, Guinness, Malta on Friday.
On Fridays.
Yeah, show them the new drink we are run place. Calico Jack. Take it down, I'm show you both of them.
Calico Jack.
Calico Jack.
Calico.
People, if your partner don't have the jack, drink this. Calico Jack, level. If you can't buy the big one for 15,
So say, if your partner don't want the Jackhammer?
yes, this is
Jack
the
Hammer.
Jack Hammer fruit punch.
Nice.
Yeah, if you want to be like Park, when I say Pirates of the Caribbean,
Yeah.
this is the Jack for you.
Alright.
$400
Let me ask you, it's
only.
true? Is that true?
Yeah. Yes,
The Jack
yeah.
for you.
The Jack for you.
Yeah man, so this is the bar settings right now guys. Yeah man. So over here is the bar settings. We're talking about the Jack. Yeah man. So if you don't have the Jack, you come right in this bar setting and you get your Jack Hammer. Yeah. Well, you have to come try it and tell me what I go on because we come to eat, we don't come to drink, we have to drive, you understand? Yeah man. Yeah guys, so meet Fantasia. Lovely name, Fantasia, but our pet name is Tassia. Tassia, so that's Tassia over there. Yeah man, so this is the beautiful Tassia in the bar. When you want your little juice in the bar, your little rum in the bar, you just come out for Tassia. Nice. Lounge settings. Wow. Beautiful settings. So this is the breakfast settings in the morning. Yeah, man. There's one. Puppeteer picks up this too, you know. Puppeteer picks up this.
But she gets excited, but in a year.
Mommy. Mommy, yeah. Guys, this is the breakfast settings in the morning. You get a fried dumpling, your fritters, chicken, vegetables. I got my vegetable right here. So out of 10 guys, I get this 10 out of 10. Yes, very good guys. Yes, very good. Just the saltfish inside of it. 10 out of 10. Happy day now. Happy day now. So they are having a good time right here, not me alone. I see boss acting up the place, you know, show it up the place. The boss attacking the place now. Yeah man, so this is a good old pork. Yeah man, Papa Taylor moves so fast. And the nice fish over here. So the steamed fish. Steamed fish. And this is more pork. Pork right here. Nice pork. Good old rice over the long time over here. Yeah. Finish it.
Jamaican style baguette, you know?
Yeah man. So the baguette is solid.
Steam pasta.
Steam pasta.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Our authentic way, the Jamaican way.
And soup, put for the soup as well, you know?
Oh, we have soup finished too.
Yeah, look for the soup.
Wow.
Chicken with soup.
Chicken
Good
soup.
old soup, you know?
Papa Taylor run things man. Papa Taylor run things. Yeah man. Yeah, fast. Nice.
Yeah.
So how does that, what's the pressure?
Curry with the pressure.
Curry with pressure in right there. Yeah man. Yeah, so you know that Papa Taylor, I got cut up the chicken and Papa Taylor.
Yeah.
Nice. So what kind of chicken you know? Fried chicken, stewed chicken, barbecue fry. Alright, the whole works. That's how we're going man. The whole works. So this is like a steamed big star fry.
Correct.
Fried fish. We're gonna really move fast a bit. Get a little time in. Work off our time. Yeah man. Wait, I want to best chef this.
No time for the lean guy now.
Yeah,
I work, you know?
Papa Taylor.
Fast, yeah.
That's the good old.
Good old dinner for the pork, you know?
Yeah man.
Great time.
So like you normally grate a coconut or blend it?
Everything we want, blend great time.
So they hold on, so they have blend it in great time, you know, cut off your thing and everything there.
We get used to it, so
It's a thing and grow back.
yeah, grow back, so. We have to do the
Papa Taylor boy, he used to great time, you know. As soon as he get cut, you know,
grow back.
he grow back.
And the old garlic, you know, that is a great time.
Yeah. So that's a garlic from the good old pork.
Yeah,
Nice pork man, beautiful. So it's a stew pork. Stew pork. And you jerk it later too.
yeah, jerk pork.
Alright. It's a beautiful ice cream here guys. Yeah man, so you want to cool down yourself. In the meantime or sit down and wait, you can enjoy your little cup of ice cream. So you sell ice cream by the cup or the scoop? By the cone?
This is on cone.
You have a cone. So you sell a cone. How much for a cone?
Start from $100 up.
$100.
We go like $50 per scoop.
Oh, and your personal money like myself, when I buy cream on a Sunday, and I carry my dish from here. And
Yeah.
you do that with you
So
too?
each scoop is $50. So
Oh.
like $100, you put 2 scoops on it.
Nice.
So add according to how much money you have.
Nice.
You want. Alright.
Beautiful ladies, man. Like the buyers right here. You have everything. So what you have new? I hear that you have porridge coming new.
Yes, on Monday we'll have porridge, egg sandwich. We're having like breakfast specials.
So hold on, when did I make me come Monday? You need to run me out and say come back Monday?
Oh, it was planned from last week. So
Okay.
it's Monday, the new person start working. Who will be focusing on this
Porridge and the sandwich.
yeah, sandwiches and natural juice. First
Nice.
we're making natural juice.
Nice,
like
nice.
most people sometimes they ask like for lemonade, and so you can come and ask for it. to prepare
Lemonade.
from scratch.
Nice, nice. And also, you know, them love also to what the thing name again? Where you cut it, they have a little spring seed like June plum.
June plum.
June plum.
Now we will be having a variety of fruit juice.
Nice, nice.
We will normally purchase it from someone, but no, we will have our own.
Your own.
You know, prepare it.
Nice.
right here.
Blend through and everything.
Right.
Yeah, guys, so beautiful hens, man. Just come down here and you're gonna ask me. Tell them your name, man. Tell them your name. Them call them. Me call her Fluffy, you know. Me call her Fluffy, but I pet them call her.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So pet, you can go get your ice cream right off here. So, you know, when you want cool on your little self, because the time it's very hot now, you get your ice cream. And she have thing in the making now. She have her natural juice in the making starting Monday coming. Yes, guys. So. And porridge also. So if you want your porridge in the morning, you get your cup of porridge. She have a bowl already for you, see bowl there?
This is for
Big old bowl.
later.
Oh, this is for soup later?
Oh, we have soup on the menu every day. You know.
Nice, nice.
So we make it a point that this do the soup and a lot of boiled food because persons are tired of rice.
Oh, they like the boiled food.
We do soup every day.
Yam and banana them also.
Sunday. And yam, banana, dumpling, potato, pumpkin,
Guys,
and
I'm going to show you the yam and the banana. You know. See there, you know. This is good old yam right here. And the good old banana. Yam and the good old okra. And the plantain right there. Yes, so a lot of persons ask for the ground provision. The Tyler rice, so they need ground provision. Right. Yeah, she just said that, you know. Yeah. And the good old natural juice come in. If you don't like the soda, you go for the natural juice. Yes, man, beautiful.
We don't see it on the curve, you know?
So you put that on the curd wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are the curve ones.
Good old fur goat. Beautiful. Wow. That's Colin the chef. Colin, hold on, you ever cook up on it?
Me?
Yeah. In one of them big old restaurants or hotel?
Yeah, downtown.
No, downtown. Well, Colin can keep it the downtown style, he now go uptown, you know. When you want him uptown, you say must stay downtown. Now go uptown.
Yeah.
You keep him all I'm secret downtown. Yeah.
Feed our rice done now, madam.
Oh, the rice finished now.
Yeah.
Nice. Colin said the rice. Puppeteer said the rice finished now. Nice. So you know it finished. Oh, you know, you get a sign, a smell. Oh, you go by timing?
Yeah, we had
Timing. Alright, Colin said go by the experience of, you know. I'm in the kitchen a long time, so I know say it's done. Yeah, man. Yeah, so we're finishing touch right now. This is the good old chicken. Wow, golden brown. Good old chicken right here, finished already. Nice. Serving starts in the kitchen already. And also, you have the good old curry goat. That's finished also. The cow foot. Yeah, sure, the curry goat. Wow, it's right here. Good old pork good, guys. Yes. And we also have the strew down cow foot. Nice. And over here, barbecue sauce. Yeah, guys, and also we have to finish this of rice, you know. Only for things start going already, you know. Just show them the rice. So about the rice, don't start shear already right here. Yeah, so the rice over here. Start to shear already, guys. Wow. Yes. Stew pork over here. Stew pork. The stew pork right here. And over here you have the stew beef. Don't finish that yet. And the pasta over here. So. Nice. And I mean, with the kitchen steam, you know, guys. So you know, so the chicken is not really cut up yet, and the fish don't do yet. But a whole heap of things still are going to steam here, guys. Yeah, man. So over here you have a good old fish. Yes. What do you call the fish?
Red snapper.
Red snapper. Whoa. Good old red snapper. Just come from the sea? Yeah, man. Just come from the sea. Yeah, man. Anyway, for last time they're coming from the sea. Yeah, man. Very fresh. Fresh and nice. And the seasoned chicken right here. So action still going on, and like I said, you know, catch breakfast setting, lunch setting. You have all dinner setting, so every setting. So food can't run out. Yeah, man, this is when you have sleep food today, you know. You wake up out of bed, don't get just run come over here. Yeah, man, Campus Plaza. And Langston Road. Yeah, man, you can't miss, man. Cannot miss. And the business chef right over here, Puppy Tail. Yeah. Well, sometimes I miss him name, you know. Sometimes I miss up him name, Puppy Tail, good old Puppy Tail. Yeah, man. Listen, it's a lady get a name there, Puppy Tail. You don't know, I don't know why. I know why she call it Puppy Tail.
You know why, man?
You know why? Tell me now, I know why, brother. Yeah? Tell me why they call it Puppy Tail, man. Oh, you dance like a puppy or what?
I dance like a puppy tail.
You say nah, do it, but you say nah, do it. Say nah, do it. Yeah, man. Lots of action in the kitchen. Nice. Yeah, man. So this beautiful lady that take care of the fish and also take care of the jerky and the later on soon start. What they have feet, man, what they have all the settings, our 3 settings, breakfast, lunch, dinner. After that, what we have again after that? Supper. Supper after that. After party settings later, same way. Nice, yeah. Yeah, man, the after party settings, same way. Yeah, man. So like I said, only for nice is going later, man. Only for nice is going later. Oh, see, I light up the grill later and do the thing. Nice. How much are service like that? 750. Reasonable. 750 for a serving like that. Wow. Nice. The price is ready. Nice. Fries is deep fry. One of them fries. One fry. So we're gonna try one of them fries. It stay hot, but you don't know what's up in it. What's wrong with it? Got Puppy Tail show off them why you fry better than KFC. So we're gonna try. Yeah, man. We're gonna make a ear, you know, and that's insane. Fries is better than KFC. This is one of the fries. You're right. Very hot. You're right. Very hot. Warm. Very hot. Come on. here was saying, oh, the fries and chicken is from 9 bills, different from the rice and peas and chicken in the same container for 7 bills. So the fries is more expensive than the chicken and rice. Yes, so I mean they go up, you know, they have extra large. So the one that I see I want to go up there, large. Medium. So you have extra large, also small. So small is how much? Also the 7 bill ones are small. Let them see it was.
9 bills now, yeah.
We probably can you move fast enough. 9 bills, yeah.
7 bills,
7 bills, right?
5 bills for that.
Baby face that man, but oh.
No, 5 bills mini.
5 bills mini. You gonna lower too? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Alright, puppet tail show the whole work. Puppet tail show the whole work. So let's put this in a showcase. The fish. Nice. It's the fish and touch on the fish.
Some something there now, I have some pasta, yeah.
Oh, so you're applying the pasta. Whoa. Good old pasta right here. Nice. So you sure to serve the pasta with, like, if you don't want a vegetable, get pasta. So you're gonna put that in the fridge. Nice. Cool it down. The fish right here. Fried fish. You do steamed fish? Oh, we're gonna do the steamed fish later for one side. So all this is for the steamed fish. Oh, nice. Wow. So you have a later on segment right here. Yeah, man. So lunch finish right now. Yeah. So puppet someone gonna fix up some more chicken. Chicken and move fast from the outside. Yes, we like it, we like it, we like it. Beautiful lens, man. Yeah, man. So I know I see why Puppet was moving so fast this morning. I'm going to catch the crowd before 12. Yeah, man, because the crowd bomb rush man again, but I'm going to show the crowd this time around, guys, because you know some people don't like camera, so. Yeah, man, most persons don't like cameras, so I didn't bother go outside. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, so what I'm going to do now is just let you see what taste what is having. Yeah, man, so taste what's going to show you what he's having. Yes, I'm in the kitchen, beautiful kitchen with Puppy Tail and one called Biggs. Yes, man. So on Lansdowne Road where you find this restaurant, you cannot miss. Yeah, man. Campbell's Plaza, you cannot miss it, man. I show you the stretch already, so just turn inside and like I said, guys, you can come in with your friends, you know, have a family settings too, you know, yeah, man. Because there's a big space right off here, you can sit down and enjoy your eating. Nice. on your food too. Tell us where we're going to eat together. Of course. We're going to eat. Yes, man. So, me and the boss lady are going to tell puppeteer to you that step up something. Where the camera fit? Oh, the camera right there, so. Camera. Yeah, man, I love it, man. So each thing, everything we look on it, it a do it.
Press like feel right above the right side.
Right side.
Feel the button.
On top?
There's a button here, man. Right here.
Oh, right, yes, sir.
Yeah, you click that to take a picture.
So you click it. You see it on your phone.
Yeah, come up on your phone.
And then record video like I'm going to do.
You can hold it. You record video.
Oh, I have to hold it while I do it.
Hold on to it, make it start recording.
Oh.
And voice command on it too.
You take a picture of this. And set it up.
Right, put it back on. You hear a little beep? Go on. Hey Meta.
Yeah. Me.
Hey Meta. Start video. Start record or something like that. You hear something? I'm going to see the light on. I'm
not hear it.
Hold on. Give me a second. Yeah, any kind of heavy fair glasses too.
No, man, no matter what. Guess what? You go some places, but I love you have that.
Hey Meta. Start record. Oh, you can record.
So, after I have my phone, then
you have to listen to the
iPhone.
Voice from.
Yeah.
From when we realized with it,
yeah.
the iPhone video better.
Yeah, better.
And we realized the video in it. I don't know why not play sometimes on the app.
Yo, not on supervisor, can you have a very lunch settings, guys? The lunch settings. Lunch settings right here. Wow. I say, you know, me and the boss are going to have lunch for the table. Perhaps who can eat faster, you know, who can do quicker than each other. Yeah, man. So, if we done before her, be careful. If she done before me, she's my food, you know?
Yeah, I eat so much food. As much as American, I just eat too much. I'm just forcing it.
Yeah, trust me. I rate this at 10 also, you know. I rate this at 10. Yeah, man. I rate the food, man. Very nice. Wow. Like I said, guys, right on Lanston Road, Campbell's Plaza, can't miss. Driving past, big space for parking. Fridays and Saturday, big things are going. You leave your work, come right off here. Trust me, it's a blast. Gamings, internet is on the plaza also. You know, gaming's for the young youth, them, the young people, them. You know, and also bar settings, grocery shops. It's a nice area. Like I said, guys, I find them wherever they are, and it just stays bud with you. Come on. The chef make sure I try everything, you know. So mic off. Chef make sure I try everything. No know why the people them come back. Food tastes good, man. True word. True word. I start out that knock, I don't want to mash up my thing. No, hold it. It slide off. Yeah, man. Come on, look down where I go and I have food. That's beautiful settings. Put on about the Ray-Ban, you know? So like I said, guys, David Taste Bud out again. So catch me in the street once again. Yeah, man. Nice. So yeah, guys, so we actually finished eating now. So like I said, like, share, and subscribe to you new folks. That's just follow Taste Bud. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get better, you know. From here, you understand? So let's go ahead and try what we get to right now. Yeah, man. So we'll meet again.